Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you can tell, I'm sorry that there isn't a video up today. As I've mentioned in my last video that we are moving, so there are quite a few boxes right there. There are more around the house, so it doesn't look like much, but believe me, we do have quite a bit going on. I've also been doing some cleaning to help with when the next tenants come in when we check out. So we've also been cleaning our new place, so that has been taking up a lot of our time. I wish I could say that I had something planned and then I got ahead of everything, but when buying a home for the first time, there's a lot to do. So that's kind of what we've been doing. So yeah, I've been very busy packing and cleaning and getting everything ready for our big move this weekend. So I'm so sorry again for not having something up today, but I have not forgotten you guys. I have not forgotten what I love to do. It's just right now I have to put it on hold while I take care of everything else. So stay tuned and hopefully I will have some more content for you guys to enjoy. But I hope you're doing well and I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.